Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to solve duplicate class found error in Android Studio. This duplicate class found error in Android Studio typically occurs when you have conflicting class names in your project. This can happen for various reasons, but it's mostly commonly due to one of the following scenarios. You might have added multiple libraries or dependencies that contain classes with the same name. You may have accidentally created duplicate class files with the same package and class names within the project. If you're using ProGuard or R8 for code minification, it might be obfuscating classes in a way that leads to conflicts. Sometimes the build cache in Android Studio can become corrupted, leading to unexpected issues. If you have multiple manifest files that define the same class in the same package, it can lead to this conflict. Some third-party library might have their own issues or conflicts. And sometimes Android Studio configurations or plugins can cause unexpected issues. The first step is to ensure that Android Studio is up to date with the SDK and Gradle. So go to File, Settings, and ensure that Android SDK is up to date and SDK Tools is installed. The latest version is being installed. Then the second step is to invalidate caches. Invalidate, select this, and Android Studio will be restarted. After restarting Android Studio, if the error persists, you need to go to the Gradle app level and add this dependency. Implementation of the platform, JetBrains, Kotlin, and Kotlin BOM. Sync now, run the application, and here we go. This is our application. And by the way, I'm using the data binding library. For some reasons, maybe the error persists. So the last solution is to add this constraints inside the dependencies scoop. So this constraints will implement this and this line, telling that Android Studio will use the JDK 7 and JDK 8, which is part of Kotlin std-lib. Sync the project and run it again. And here we go. This is our application. Everything will work fine. Tell me if you didn't solve your problem in the comments below.